Epoxy Flake flooring is a high-performance coating system designed to deliver both durability and visual depth in demanding environments. It begins with a carefully prepared base surface, followed by a base coat that bonds tightly to the concrete. While still wet, decorative vinyl flakes are broadcast across the floor, creating a layered texture look that also improves slip resistance. Once cured, the surface is sealed with a clear top coat, locking in the flakes and providing protection against abrasion, chemicals, and moisture. The result is a seamless, easy-to-maintain finish that stands up to heavy use while maintaining a clean, professional appearance for years. It also offers customizable colors, blends, and finishes, allowing the flooring to align with branding, safety requirements, or aesthetic goals while maintaining its long-term performance.